my shovel, I was doing a lot of shoveling. See that?
Yeah, we see where you were shoveling. Abby, quit eating that. Abby!
Abby, no!
Stop eating that. We put peanuts underneath there for the squirrels. Abby thinks they're for her.
Yeah.
Tank, you can't see.
Take you off. Get it off your face.
Chayton, do you know why we call him Shovelhead?
Why?
Because he shovels in the snow with his head.
Oh, wait. He's a good shovel, so maybe we
You're going to hit the tree.
Dang, you're gonna hit the tree. Tank, can I help Tank do some more
What's he got,
shoveling?
Tank? What does he have? Our first car just went by. Thank you. Go put it on the snowblower. You're caught on Chayton's bike. Chayton, get out of the way. Hi, bud.
Abby.
Mr. Puppy Head. Mr. Puppy. Look at your balls of snow.
Abby's looking for peanuts.
Thank you. Can you fix that corner? The snow's going to blow under it. Maybe put that piece of wood on. Ethan, don't tell me no.
Abby's looking for
Put that piece of wood on top. Put the piece of wood on top.
Tank!
Thank you.
Hey, Mommy, look, you left your
Thank
arm
you.
out here.
Tank!
Aw, he's in the snow.
Where is he?
He's wiggling. Abby, come on. Abby, come on. Good boy. Get the snow. Get the snow. Get it. Go get the snow. Get it. Come on, Tank. Go. Good boy.
Abby, come. Hey.
Look at your dog, Ethan.
He's got a mouth.
He can't see. He just ran into my legs. You're lucky that was a soft thing. If that was a tree, that would have hurt.
Yeah. Tank, yeah. Tank.
Aw, you gotta go lay by the fire.
I'm just kidding.
Tanky too. Let me see your face. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
He's like, no.
Yes? Good job. Hey, Chayton, come here. There's a shelter over here.
Tank, here.
Underneath the picnic table, Chay.
I missed.
Abby, go get Tank. Go get him.
I missed again.
Oh, here's picnic tables.
That wasn't nice. Ethan just tried to hit me with a snowball. You really can't see how much snow is actually blowing on the camera. It looks like there's less snow coming out of the sky. Well, when you look through the camera. Blizzards are the best. Chayton, can you get under there?
I don't know yet.
Hey!
Bring Tank with you so he can thaw out.
Yeah, Tank here inside.
Hi, Betty. Hi, Buddy. Oh, my God. Go inside.
I'm gonna go in.
All right, let's see.
Come on, Tank.
I don't think your chair's going to fit.
Come on.
Let's leave it out here.
All right.
Actually, I'm not gonna go for down there. I'm gonna go for up here.
Tank, go inside. Why won't you go in? Hmm? Can you, where is your eyeball? There it is.
See, I can sit.
Good job. Tank, can you go in? Go in. Go get him.
No, this isn't for dogs.
It's not.
Yeah.
Oh, I really like it in here.
It's a good sound though.
It is.
It's a good sound. Tank, this isn't for dogs. Tank, you're gonna break my sound door.
He's trying to find you.
Only one way to get him out.
Move over, I can't see you.
Tank, out of here!
Jaden.
Get out of here! Get out of here!
Let go of
Get
him.
out of here, dog!
Aww.
Tank, look! Tank, look! Tank,
Nope, he's going to play.
Tank, fits! Oh, well.
Jaden, don't throw the ball. Because it'll get lost. We won't see it till March. Hey! What a good boy. Oh, the birds came back. Tank almost ate them.
I did it!
Good job.
Look, I'm in a pipe!
Cool. Should we go in and make cocoa? My hands are getting cold. And the wind is really blowing. All right, I'm leaving you out here. Bye. All right. Dang. Yes, it is. It's really blowing. What, buddy? Do I want to see a Pikachu?
Don't you want to see if you can fit?
Oh, if I can fit? I don't think I can fit.
Let's see.
I don't think so. Come on, Tank. He's a good boy.